welcome to the O'Leary Ventures 2024 Symposium. We haven't done this for years due to pandemic concerns, but so much has changed since we had the last one of these 3 years ago. Our company has grown geometrically, our portfolio has grown geometrically, our staff has grown geometrically. We are now invested in all 11 sectors of the S&P in almost every state in the country. Some great companies here. And I thought what we try and do in a very short order is just introduce the new expanded O'Leary team so you know who they are, and then whip down the list of the attending companies. I think about 95% of our companies have attended with some representation, which is remarkable in such short order, which is great. And then we're going to get into what I think is the most important part of why we gather. You know, there's this concept in the bird community called flocking, where sparrows gather by the millions, and just to see each other and how big their flock is. That's what we're doing here with flocking. Just to check each other out.
Hello, everyone. I'm Tripp. This is my dad, Lee. We're from Dalton, Georgia, and our company is Legglue. It's a temporary glue for Legos or other building blocks.
I'm Justin Crow. I'm from Santa Fe, New Mexico, and I'm the founder of Parting Stone.
Hello, everyone. I'm Diana Gerard, the date lady. I'm from Magic Dates.
Hi, I am Cindy Bray. I am the inventor of Wadfree.
My name is Eric Child. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. I have a portfolio of brands, but one of those is Illumable.
Hello, I'm Jamil with Rounderpump. I'm from Mexico City, but the company is based out of LA.
Hi, my name is Rob Nooner. I'm the founder of a company called Boost Oxygen.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Frank Mattis. I'm the director of air traffic control and digital aviation solutions for a company called Thales.
Hello, everyone. My name is Erin Reisler. I am the deputy executive director for the Northern Plains UAS test site, so I work for the state of North Dakota.
Hi, everyone. My name is Julia, and this is Lauren. We're from Hello Prenup.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Josh Tigan from Fargo, North Dakota.
Good morning. My name is Ernie Williams with Go to Green.
Hi, my name is Jamie Ratner. I'm the CEO and founder of Certificate and Macaroni Kid.
Hey, everybody. Travis Smith. I'm the head of operations for Muskox. This is Bob Fossum. We are a snowblower attachment company based out of Grand Forks, North Dakota. We do manufacturing and assembly in Mentor, Minnesota.
Hello, I'm Jana McDaniel. I started First Saturday Lime, which is an all-natural insect repellent.
Hey, good morning, everyone. My name is Jeff Galetli. I'm the CEO of Brooklyn Dumpling Shop.
Hi, good morning. I'm Brian Alasinski, and this is Kirk Hyas. We're the co-founders of the Turbo Trusser.
Hi, I'm Wambi from Love Pop in Boston.
Good morning. My name is Renee Ricciardi, and I am the founder of Festini.
Hey, my name is Stuart Gold. I am the co-founder of Dingle Dangle Baby. We're based both in the UK and Boca Raton, Florida.
Hello, everyone. I'm Alexandra, the founder of Oh Baby out of Portland, Oregon.
Hi, good morning. My name is Renee Heath. I am the co-inventor of Banana Loca. We're based out of Philly.
Hi, I'm Harriet Mills out of Raleigh, North Carolina, and I am the founder of Wine and Design.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Eric Hopperstead, co-founder of PRX Performance.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Eric Burt, the founder of Bertello Outdoor Pizza Ovens from St. Paul, Minnesota.
Hey, everyone. I'm Taryn,
founder and CEO of Tableau. We're based out of Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Hi, Mr. Wonderful here. Why are there so many commercials on TV? Because they work. But if you're a small business, you may think TV advertising is too expensive. Not anymore. I created WonderAds.com to give any business full access to cable, network, and streaming services. Wonder Ads aggregates large buys of television network time at deep discounts and then parcels them out to small businesses. The Wonder Ads proprietary data tracking then tells you where and when your ad performs best, so you can focus on the networks that produce the highest yields. Want to learn more? Go to WonderAds.com now.
Hey, Mr. Wonderful here. You know what's amazing with this? All these people you see, all of these people, these are all entrepreneurs, part of my family. Think about this. This is the classic situation of growing a business from scratch. We're celebrating. We just had our 2024 annual O'Leary Symposium, and we're culminating with a great dinner in Miami Beach at the iconic restaurant, Joe's Stone Crab. We did a fantastic dinner, but every one of these people, all of them, they work 24/7, 8 days a week. They want to achieve success. I celebrate that. And we spend a lot of time thinking about strategies, a lot about social media, customer acquisition, return on ad spend, all this crazy technical stuff. But in the end, we're a giant family. That's what we are. You want to join this crew? You're going to work your ass off, and that's a good thing.